This video will walk you through how to create group tasks using Google Classroom assignments. To begin, look at the Classwork tab of your Google Classroom. When you create an assignment and you add a file to it, once you insert it, you have three options for how students can interact with it. They can either view it, edit, or make a copy for each individual student. None of these get at what we are looking for since we want to have groups of students working on the same file. So I'm going to cancel this assignment creation and move over to your Drive. When you pull up your Classroom Drive, you want to create a folder for your group work documents. So in this, you'll see that I have created my template, and then I've made a copy of that template for each group. And I've named the groups accordingly. Think of how you want to name your groups so you can easily tell which file goes with which group or class. Then you want to go through and you want to share the templates with the students of the group. So in this document, group 1 is assigned to myself as the owner, the teachers of the class as editors, and then I have added the students that I want to work on this document as editors also. Now you'll notice here I made a mistake, and this person is a viewer, so I want to change them to an editor also so they can be working on the document. So you'll set this up and go through and make copies of the template for each group, name them, and share them with who will be working in the group. Back in the classroom, you'll see that in your teacher view, you'll have a separate assignment each week for each of the different groups. On your end, you're going to see an assignment for however many groups you have, but on the student's end, they're only going to see the assignment that's assigned to them. So to create the assignment, we're going to call this Week 2 Group 1 Math Problems. We can write in our instructions and we'll add our document. So this is group 1. So we're going to add the group 1 file. And then when you're assigning it, instead of assigning it to all students, you're only going to want to assign it to the students that are in that group. Assign your grade category if you use it. Assign the topic. This was week 2, so I'm going to put this assignment in week 2, and I will assign it. Now on my end, it's going to show up that group 2 or group 1 has their math problems assigned, and I'll go through and assign it to each group for each week.